Hey, Harley here. Um, Today is the 3rd of May, and here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, literally like, I don't know, a week, 10 days ago it was snowing, and it went from, freezing cold to suddenly 86 degrees and thunderstorms and like 79% humidity. So we haven't really had a spring yet. We kind of went straight from furnace to air conditioning. So, in fact, the furnace here in front of me is 73 in here now, but I was using that 2 days ago. So to heat the garage, but not today because it's hot, stormy, and whatnot. So what we're doing is we are changing over the climate control from furnace to air conditioning. Hi, Bandy. Bandy wants to say hi. Okay. So, there's Honey.
Yep.
All right. What you doing?
Okay, first thing we're going to do is turn off the whole house humidifier first. First we'll close off the valve up here,
Okay.
which is only open a tiny bit. That's all you need. And then the only other thing to do is flip this. So that way there it closes the damper so it doesn't feed back into the return duct.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it. Probably by the end of the month we'll be changing the filter. The filter is good for 1 year. It's one of those really big
Yes.
expensive ones, but
Down on
they're
the left.
disposable. But yeah,
Try on Air Bear.
yeah, that's right. It's the Air Bear.
It's the Air Bear. And that humming is all this that I still have to video, and I haven't done it yet, so sorry. All right, are we going to go flip the thermostat on?
Yes.
Okay. Bandy. Okay, now we're upstairs, and Bandy's still here. He follows me around. All right. It's hot as balls in here. Okay. Let's see. So it's 82 degrees in here. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on cool. And it says cool to 72. And then I'm going to do operating status, system check in progress. Okay, that takes a few moments for that to occur. Okay, what it's doing now is it's doing a self-test on the blower. Okay, you can hear the duct work. Okay, and the blower check is complete. Still says system check in progress. It tested the blower, and it also tested the CFM capacity of the ductwork. It uses that information and stores it in memory. And there we go. Hear a click, and the outside unit has started. A little dirty. Freon running through the lines. And there goes the blower. Slowly ramps up to a, it's probably going to go all the way to high since it has to cool 10 degrees. Yep, there he goes. Well, what are you doing, little dude? You want to be in the video too? Is that your meow meow? Hey, Andy. Andy. Sorry, I got completely distracted by kitty noises. Alright, let's go check the thermostat. And see, now it's changed to function cool. AC on high stage and fans on. The humidifier and ventilator off. So there we go. And it is cooling. Okay, and it is 79.7 inside. But see, the kicker is the humidity is almost 50%. And look at it outside, 78%. So, yeah. What do you think? What do you think, Leah? Is it too humid and warm in here? Are you uncomfortable? Okay, so. Anyhow. Got a vent under there. Let's see if we can get a close-up on this thing. Not with cats in the way. 59. It was 60. That was 59. Really, dude? Really, Bandy? You're gonna climb on his back while he's doing that? Really? Okay, now we got 59.7 degrees coming out.
Hang on, I'm trying to aim it in the duct. It's going down quickly.
Yeah. So yeah, the air coming out of the duct is quickly starting to cool off. It's going to take it a moment though because the air going into the duct or into the air handler is 82 degrees.
Yeah.
So we're going to enjoy a nice cool dry evening in here.
Yeah. This has got to be the earliest we've ever turned on the air conditioning.
Yeah. I mean, there's the date for you.
This is right now. This is supposed to be whole house fan weather, but it's not only in the 80s. It's high humidity, and it's very uncomfortable. And not to be complaining and everything like some McMansioners do. It's just if we have it there, we're gonna use it. It's there for comfort. Might as well use it.
Yep, that is correct. So, my ugly face again.
Boo!
Saying thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are enabled. And we'll see you in the next video.
Badger bitch.
That's me.